Hey MW friends! So no makeup today because I'm excited to try what's new with the brand Cathy Doll. So may bagong makeup products ng Cathy Doll. So they have Beauty to Go Mini Lip and Cheek Tint. They're creamy matte. So I'm excited to try. Pag creamy matte meaning it's hydrating, I hope. And they also have the Beauty to Go Economy Eyebrow Pencil. So may dark brown and ash brown. And lastly, they have Beauty to Go Jet Lag Easy Eyeliner. I'm so excited kasi first eyeliner nila, I think.
Like a lonely man, we don't need, you're not like everyone. That's, he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. You know you're in love when you come for the same. Because we are the team, you see that we got like a lonely man. We don't need, you're not like everyone. That's, he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. You know you're in love when you come for the same. Because we are the team, you see that we got
Reading the shade names, I noticed that they are actually places. So the first one is Shibuya. The second one is Riviera. The third one is Shanghai. Of course, Shanghai will always be red. And the last one is Cannes. And here's showing you the swatches. Shibuya, Riviera, Shanghai, and Cannes. Have it. I'm finally done swatching all the new products from Cathy Doll. I will share more in-depth review after trying them out. Longer time, a week or so, I'll update you guys on the blog. But for now, these are my initial thoughts. For the mini lip and cheek tints, I am loving all the shades. Sobrang ganda ng mga shades niya, especially Shanghai. I'm surprised. I really love the deep red shade na sobrang nakaka-brighten up ng skin. And all the shades are perfect. The last one I'm wearing is Cannes. Sobrang favorite ko siya. That's why I left it here. And then, for the liquid liner, I am really impressed kasi highly pigmented siya. Tapos yung brush niya, sobrang sharp and defined. So you can easily create wing liner. I just have to test to make sure that it doesn't smudge on me or magkalat-kalat siya. I'll try later on. I'll wear this the whole day. And I am loving their brow pencil because Cathy Doll has already made their full-size brow pencil in the past, and so far okay siya. So I'm not surprised that they maintained the good shade choices. I hope they have more because the previous one, I think they have 3 or 4. 4, I think. This one naman, 2 lang, but it says beauty on the go. Like, you don't need a lot of shades. You just have to pick one shade na magmamatch sa'yo. And mine is 01, the one that matched me a lot. It's called, no, sorry, it's 02 ash brown yung nag-work sa akin. And I love the shade. It's very universal, very cool tone brown. Wala siyang red tint, so perfect and very easy to use. And based from experience, hindi siya sobrang waxy, so I have a feeling this will stay the whole day. So the size are perfect, really matches to the name that it says beauty on the go. Hindi siya mahaba. It won't take a lot of space on your makeup kit. And I love it that most of the products are multitasking. So maybe can use the eyebrow pencil as your eyeliner. I'll try right now just to show you that you really don't need to bring a lot of makeup when you are traveling. So this is in 01 dark brown eyebrow pencil to be used as eyeliner. Kaya, yeah, effective. Yep, I'm happy. So that's all for now. Thank you so much, Cathy Doll, for sending all these, and I hope you enjoyed my first try and first impression. See you next time and have a great day. Bye!